It's strange that this question is being asked. The party president, not just the day when this allegation was raised by probably the civil society groups, but subsequently also had come himself to answer questions raised by media. So I think, in all fairness, it's important for us to recognize that here was a party president who came himself to the media and answered questions. So I don't think you should hold that against him. He has come. On the contrary, since it's a political atmosphere in which we are talking, and we are talking about the president of a party on whom there are questions being asked, the same doesn't seem to apply to any other party. The same doesn't seem to apply to the Congress party, on whom not just one person but several ministers have been asked questions. I'm tempted to ask, did any one of them come one-on-one to face the media and answer questions which are being raised? Thanks for the clarification. But then that is now being recalled. I would like every one of you all to also recall that the president of the BJP had also come and sat to answer questions raised by the media. So let's recognize that first. I'm surprised you're asking that question. From this very point, from where last few days I've been speaking, and also whenever there's been a formal press conference, every one of the BJP spokespersons and also the leaders have been repeatedly raising this issue on Vadra. On that, and also on the point that you're now raising about how probably the Congress is taking or not taking, or taking only discrete action. On both the counts, it is for the Congress to answer and not us. All programs will continue as per schedule. There's nothing at all to speculate whether there's a change or whether it will continue. Things will continue as always in the BJP. And we are always available for the media too. I'm sorry, you're getting it wrong. Media is an entity in which several individuals may approach, and the president of the party, not only when approached has spoken, but also volunteered to go and face media which wanted to ask questions. He may not have appeared in your channel, but the fact remains, as a genre, media has been addressed, and as a matter of fact, many individuals who have approached him from the media and also the agencies which have approached him have all been answered. But the question is, I'm happy you are able to ask us this question, we are responding to it. I would certainly like the media to ask the Congress the same question. Ask the Congress, in spite of Muraliji reminding me that one minister has chosen to come, I would certainly ask the Congress, has anyone come to answer specific questions on 2G? Why are ministers still in the cabinet who have not even faced one question, either in the media or by investigating agencies? There are ministers who are in the cabinet who have not answered any question at all. Would you please ask them if they are willing to be probed? We have very clearly said, yes, please come, probe. On 2G, on ISRO Devas, on Colgate, on CWG, even in spite of Lokayukta and also Shunglu Committee very clearly indicting the Delhi government. Has there been any cases filed? Has there been any investigation? I've given you 4 examples, I'll give you more. Veerbhadra Singh, cash for vote. Let us ask the Congress as to how many of them are inviting probe on allegations which are thrown at them. Let us hear from the Congress how many of them are willing to come and speak out. Is there anybody coming to answer on the specific list of items that I've given you? Colgate, Veerbhadra Singh, Vadra, cash for vote, 2G, Commonwealth Games, Aircel Maxis, ISRO Devas, all during the UPA 2 time. Tell me how many Congress ministers have invited probe. So I think it is fair only from our side to ask you all, if it is possible, to get a reply from anybody in the Congress party. We are here. The president himself was there. The leaders of the opposition, both Sushma ji and Arun ji, and Advani ji himself has given you a clear view on the point. Inviting for a pope is something which we have done. We like to ask of the Congress, how many of their ministers have submitted themselves to be questioned? Yeah. Well, we've already responded on that. Mr. Jethmalani's comments are there for everybody to hear. The party, especially the senior leadership, has already responded. I may not be able to add more to it. सुषमा जी के बयान में भी, ट्विटर के द्वारा, अडवाणी जी के बयान में भी, और हम प्रवक्ता जब आए पार्टी के ऑफिशियल लाइन देने के समय भी ये बार बार बोलते आ रहे हैं कि ये तो बेसलेस है और इसको जांच करने के लिए हम इनवाइट कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको याद दिलाऊंगी, हम सब इसके ऊपर बेसलेस चार्जेस बोलते आ रहे हैं, सो नया बात नहीं है और उसको छोड़ा ही नहीं। पार्टी पूरे अध्यक्ष जी के सपोर्ट में कल और आज भी बोल रही है। इससे आप ही सोच लीजिए कि आपके प्रश्न को उत्तर देना है नहीं देना है। थैंक यू।